Let's get into the obvious ones first. First on the list, noise. Now, we said they're quieter, and they are, but they are not silent. Check out this chart from a NASA flight test. That blue line shows the aircraft's altitude, taking off, cruising along, and then landing. The orange line is how loud it is on the ground right underneath it. And you can see these big spikes in noise right at takeoff and landing, which is exactly when they're closest to homes and offices.
Now, to put that into perspective, a helicopter flying about 1,600 feet over your head is still really loud. An eVTOL at that same height is only about 45 decibels. That's roughly the sound of background rain. It's a huge improvement for sure, but it does raise the question, are communities going to be okay with even that sound?